Okay, we're going to describe the possible lengths of the third side of the triangle given the lengths of the other two sides. So basically, if we start with this first one, we have 6 inches and 9 inches. So let's add these two sides. So 6, according to our triangle inequality theorem, 6 plus 9 must be greater than x. Or you can write, this is 15, x, I'm reading it backwards, is less than 15. So our possible lengths of the third side has to be less than 15, but greater than 6, because 6 is going to be our smallest side. And that's how you would write it. And I guess we need to put inches on there, so just put inches on this. Okay, the next one, do the same thing. Our 4 feet plus 12 feet has to be greater than x feet. Or we could, I'm just going to take off the feet for now. X has to be less than 16. So x has to be, our third side has to be less than 16 feet, but greater than 4 feet, because that's going to be our smallest side. It can't be the same. All right. And then the next one, you just do the same thing. 9 plus 18, and we're talking about meters, has to be greater than x, or x has to be less than 27 meters, but it has to be greater than our 9, because we already have a side that's 9, and that's meters. And the next one, so you might want to try these on your own. 21 plus 16 has to be greater than x, or we can write x has to be greater than, 37. And it has to be less than the smallest side, which is 16, because it has to be in between those. So that is your answer there. And probably should write yards here. All right, and the next one, 22 plus, let's convert real quick. So let's convert this 2 feet to 24 inches. All right, it's a lot easier to do it that way. So 22 inches, plus 24 inches has to be greater than x, or x is less than 46 inches. But it has to be bigger than 22 inches, which is your smallest side. So the third side has to be in between there. And the last one, let's convert this to inches. There's 36 inches in a yard, so we're just going to call this 36 inches. And so we want 24 inches plus 36 inches to be greater than x inches, or x has to be smaller. I'm reading it this way. Smaller than, this is going to be 60 inches. So it has to be also bigger than the 24 inches. And because that's your third side. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.